Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to activate Tesco eSim. So in order for you to activate your Tesco eSim, what you need to do is you need to simply getting started with it is very easy. You need to connect to the Wi-Fi and scan the QR code using your phone's camera or a QR code scanner application. And then you just have to follow further on-screen instructions and steps in order to activate your eSIM. If you need further support, you can even call them on the customer support page. So in order to get their customer support page, what you need to do is you need to simply come to Tesco Mobile, and here in the Tesco Mobile, you just have to simply try to find the help option. So over here, if you scroll down, you will be able to see this section where you need to click on contact us page. Now once you click on contact us, you will be able to see various types of methods with the help of which you can contact with the Tesco mobile customer service. So you just have to simply call them and ask them that you want to activate your Tesco sim, and they are going to help you in this regard. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.